Here's a quick tutorial on some maths in economics. This is called monetarist theory, or the equation of exchange. This is when a nation's money supply increases, which therefore leads to greater economic activity and therefore contributes to higher GDP levels. Now M stands for money supply, V stands for velocity, P stands for price of goods and services, and Q stands for quantity of goods and services. Now in this formula, V is constant, and the reason for that is because, essentially, when people want to hold less money, velocity is high, which basically means money needs to be circulated a lot, and when people want to hold a lot of cash, velocity is low. Here is a quick example. According to the equation of exchange, if an economy produces 50 cars, which each sell for £6,000 with a money supply of £3,000, then what is the velocity? Well, we know the equation is mv equals p times q, where the money supply m is 3,000 times velocity equals p, which is 6,000, times q, which is 50. This gives us 3,000 v equals 300,000. And all we do is we get v on its own to give 100, because all we've done is do 300,000 divided by 3,000. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe.